Do you want to earn extra money with your art, creative work, and professional knowledge? Amazon KDP is the best option for you to make huge money with your skills today. And in this video, we'll show you the best ways to make over $100 per hour with Amazon KDP. And this will also benefit you throughout 2023 and beyond. So we advise you to watch this video to the end because you've got a surprise for you at the end. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. You have heard that it is possible to generate extra income and even live from your art and knowledge on the internet, but you do not know how. Well, the truth is that making money online is very easy, but earning enough money to live from your job requires much work. Above all, it takes time. And if not for time, at least the planning and execution work takes its share of gray matter. Having a website, an online store, or selling your art on specialized pages requires work, like everything worth doing. And depending on how your relationship with technology is, the learning curve required for you to overcome certain technical obstacles can be a problem. As a self-publishing platform, Amazon KDP has tremendous potential for you to grow as a freelance writer. Through its leading self-publishing system, you sell your book around the world without having to deal with traditional publishers or printers, and all the profits go to you. You can collect royalties for books published on Amazon KDP in different ways, depending on the country you are in. Now we tell you, one by one, all the options available to collect royalties from Amazon, whether you are in Europe, America, or other continents. With Amazon KDP, you earn money by writing books. Well, maybe yes to write them, if you don't usually write. But let's say you want to write, and you already know more or less what you want to write. Your stories or novels, poetry, comics, graphic novels, illustrated stories for children, your life story, and even manuals with useful information regarding your professional artistic area. Now, all you have to do is arrange the file with your text to turn it into a digital book. When you have your file ready, now you must register it on a platform to have it for sale online. You can sign it up to Amazon, Google Play, Scribd, and a bunch of other platforms out there. This time, I'll show you how to sign up and publish your books on Amazon. Step 1. Publish your digital books to earn money writing. Once you are already registered in Amazon KDP, what follows is to upload your text and fill in relevant data such as title, category, price, etc. Step 2. Publish your digital books to earn money. Done. If you have followed all the steps, then you should already have or be about to have your public digital book on Amazon. Now all you have to do is sell your book. Of course, because it is not going to sell itself. It is normal if you have difficulty selling your work. That is a common problem for almost all artists and creatives, because it is one thing to do your work and another thing to sell it. You can start by offering your books to family and friends and asking them to leave you positive reviews on Amazon so more people will be encouraged to read them. Remember that you can learn from experts how to sell without being a sellout. How do you receive Amazon KDP payments? 1. Collect royalties from Amazon by bank transfer. Without a doubt, this is the best method to collect profits from the sale of your book on Amazon. The money is transferred directly to the account you indicate, and you do not have to wait until you reach a minimum profit to collect. 2. Collect royalties from Amazon by bank check. In most countries in the Americas, you collect your Amazon KDP royalties by bank check. A particularity of this payment system is that Amazon issues your check only once you have reached a minimum income of 100 USD or pounds for the sales of your book. In the next video, we'll teach you how to sell more books on Amazon so that you quickly exceed that minimum sales threshold and can cash your check without waiting any longer. Your Amazon book royalties bank check can take up to 30 days to reach your door. If the delay is longer, before downloading your dissatisfaction with a bad service on social networks, check if you have entered your address information correctly. You will be surprised how many authors have their payments withheld for not paying attention to this crucial detail. 3. Collect royalties from Amazon by Payoneer. In some Latin American countries, collecting Amazon KDP royalties by bank check can be difficult due to financial issues such as exchange rate fluctuations or high foreign currency collection fees. Using the Payoneer platform to collect your Amazon royalties is one solution to these issues. With the help of Payoneer, you can receive money transfers in dollars, just like you would if you had a bank account in the US. Collecting royalties from Amazon through Payoneer is an excellent option for writers in Latin America who want to get paid before reaching the minimum threshold. Can I receive payments from Amazon through PayPal? Many authors ask us this question because they have active PayPal accounts and want to receive the proceeds from Amazon KDP book sales there. Unfortunately, this is not currently possible, so PayPal is not an option to collect royalties from Amazon KDP. When does Amazon pay royalties? If you choose a check as your payment method, the answer is simple. You will get paid when you reach 100 euros or USD. Remember that the check is issued once you reach this earnings threshold, after the corresponding tax deduction. If you use another system, remember that Amazon pays royalties monthly, but the first payment does not arrive overnight. So when does Amazon pay royalties? Answer: Amazon pays royalties 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which you published. For example, if you publish your book on January 1, those 60 days start counting on February 1. So you will get paid at the beginning of April, but if you post on the 10th or even the 31st of January, you will also get paid at the beginning of April. So, depending on the calendar day you published your book, you'll collect royalties for it 60 to 90 days later. Taking this into account, if you want to shorten the waiting times to collect, you should publish closer to the end of the month. If you are on day 5, you can take advantage of the time remaining until the end of the month to correct your book with a professional proofreader. How much does Amazon pay per book sold? This is one of the most frequently asked questions among freelance writers. Sometimes authors who do not want to publish on Amazon approach our editorial because someone has told them that this platform does not pay good profits to the writer. Nothing further from reality. The opposite is true. With Amazon KDP, all profit goes to the author, minus printing costs and a sales commission. How much does Amazon pay per ebook sold? If your ebook costs between €0 and 89 cents and €2 and 69 cents, you receive 35% of the retail price. If it costs between €2 and 69 cents and €9 and 99 cents, you will be charged 70%. If the price of your ebook exceeds €9 and 99 cents up to €215, you charge 35%. In the 35% option, this percentage is multiplied by the list price of the ebook without VAT. Use this formula. 35% times list price minus applicable VAT equals royalty. In the 70% royalty option, this percentage is multiplied by the list price of the ebook excluding VAT minus digital shipping costs. 70% times list price minus applicable VAT minus shipping costs equals royalty. Shipping, delivery, charges for the 70% royalty plan depend on the file size of the Kindle ebook. The 35% royalty plan does not incur shipping charges. For example, if your ebook costs €5, list price. Formula: 0.70 times 5 minus 0.19 minus 0.04 equals 3.34, and this means that €3 and 34 cents royalties is 66.8% of the list price. €5. 2. How much does Amazon pay per paper book sold? Your royalties are 60% of the list price. From this amount, we subtract the printing costs, which depend on the page count, type of ink, and the Amazon store where the order was placed. Using this formula, royalty rate times list price minus printing expenses equals royalty. For example, your list price is €10. Your paperback book costs €2 and 42 cents to print. 0.60 times €10 minus €2 and 42 cents equals €3 and 58 cents. And this means €3 and 58 cents royalties is 35.8% of the list price, €10. Amazon KDP royalties versus traditional publishing royalties. If you decide to publish or co-publish with a traditional publisher, you will earn around 10 In other words, for every euro that you earn from the sales of your dream book, they will only give you 10 cents. Does it seem sensible to you that a writer who has spent months or years of research, writing, and sleeplessness gets such little money, and that third parties make a profitable business at his expense? Never give up control of your book again. Self-publish on Amazon without hesitation. Remember that, in the worst case, you will collect 35% royalties, more than triple what traditional publishers pay. Remember that if you choose a tempting price for your book, say €4.19, you will not only get more sales, but you will also receive 70% of the revenue. In this video, you've seen how profitable it can be to publish digital books on KDP and a method that works to start your own online publishing business by solving small problems. I hope this video has served you. Leave a comment for anything and successful publishing and earning more with your digital books on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the best ways to make over $100 per hour with Amazon KDP in the comment section below.